In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable dark mode in LibreOffice. If you've been looking to reduce eye strain or just prefer the aesthetics of a darker theme, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Dark mode can make working late at night or in low light environments much easier on your eyes, and it gives your interface a sleek, modern look. Let's dive straight into the steps you need to follow to activate this feature. First things first, open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you've been using LibreOffice for a while, this should be second nature to you. Simply locate the LibreOffice icon, click on it, and let the program load. Once you have it open, you're ready for the next step. Next, you'll want to navigate to the top left corner of your screen and click on the Tools menu. This menu houses a variety of options and settings that you can tweak to optimize your LibreOffice experience. After clicking Tools, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Options. Clicking on Options will open a new window with a sidebar to the left, showcasing different categories of settings you can adjust. In this new window, look for the category labeled Appearance. You might need to scroll a bit or carefully scan through the list to find it, but it should be there. Click on Appearance and you'll be presented with different customization options for the look and feel of your LibreOffice interface. Now, it's time to select your theme. Within the Appearance settings, you'll see an option labeled Theme. This is where you can choose from various color schemes. To enable dark mode, simply select the dark option from the list. This will switch the interface to a darker color palette, which is easier on the eyes, especially in dim environments. Once you've selected the dark theme, don't forget to click Apply. This step is crucial as it saves your new settings and activates dark mode across the program. After clicking Apply, you should immediately see the changes reflected in your LibreOffice interface. The dark mode should be active, giving your workspace a more subdued and visually comfortable appearance. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in LibreOffice. It's a simple process but makes a significant difference, especially if you spend long hours working on your computer. Remember, you can always go back and change the theme if you wish to try something different or revert to the default settings. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your LibreOffice experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more tutorials or leave a comment. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new eye-friendly interface.